Hey guys, welcome back to another informative video on business topics. Research has shown money contributes to happiness when it helps us make basic needs. In this video, we will teach the easy way to secure your savings with stocks and earn more from paused payments. Basically, people usually don't spend a quarter of their earnings, save it for holidays or big events. You will learn how you can make money from your savings more than your monthly wages via learning about secure investments in stocks. If we save our money in our bank accounts, we never get any benefit. In addition, we face loss because money loses its value by 2% every year. Let's learn about the stock market. In simple words, stock market refers to the buying and selling of shares of publicly held companies, and they exchange their equity with each other. The first step: set your goals and invest for the long term, which is a key chain for beginners to invest in the stock market. The most important piece of advice for beginners is never to invest in anything you don't understand. In the last bit, great knowledge and understanding business models of companies that you invest in. You can choose any one of the following approaches in the beginning. Invest in individual stocks. If you enjoy researching and reading about markets and companies, buying individual stocks would be a good way to start investing. You can learn stock investing from it and a better understanding. If you learn it well, you will be able to make more money in less time, even while sleeping. Invest in stock mutual funds. Mutual funds different way to start your investing. When you buy shares of a stock mutual fund, your profits come from dividends, interest income, and capital gains. Following these steps would certainly ease up your way towards becoming successful investors in the future, like Warren Buffett, who is viewed as one of the most successful investors in history. He has amassed a multi-billion-dollar fortune mainly through buying stocks and companies through Berkshire Hathaway. I hope you guys will find this video informative and explanatory. Don't forget to like and subscribe.